Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a scatter plot of some data using Excel and then going to Autograph. So what I have here is birth weights and gestation period of over 1,000 babies. And for example, this baby here weighs 3.288 kilograms and had a gestation period of 148 days. Okay, so my guess is that the longer the baby is in the womb, the more it will weigh. So I think that gestation is actually my independent variable and the birth weight's dependent on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this. These will be my X values. Control C to copy them. Then I go straight to to Autograph, and I open Data, enter XY data set. Okay, so you'll see it's right there in the X, and Control V to paste it, and there's the gestation period. I go back, I highlight the birth weight, Control C, and go back to Autograph, put it there, Control V, there's all my values. Now, what I want to do is perform an auto scale, so automatically decide what the scale should be, what the window should look like for this, and I want to show statistics. Okay, so it's going to show me mean, standard deviation. It'll immediately show me the R value. Now for your IA and math studies, you'll have to actually calculate that, but you can show that you verified it using this Autograph. Okay, so I just hit OK. Voila, there's all my data. I want to transfer the results. You'll see number of points, mean, standard deviation of X, standard deviation of Y, correlation coefficient. I'm not going to go over what any of this means because that's your job, but now you know how to do it. So I transfer the results to the result box. And then after I've finished that, I can go over here and I right click. And if I want the Y on X regression, Y equals, there is a regression line, and you can see how well it fits or doesn't fit. The other thing you can do is you can go in and change the axis. I noticed that they automatically went from 0 to 400. My smallest number is over 150, so I'm going to change the axis, and I'm going to go from 150 to 400, let's just say. It gets a little more interesting. This is really dense in here, so I might want to see if I can break this up somehow. I may want to not go as high as 400. It looks like my highest is about 360. Edit my axis. Go to 365. That's a long time to be in the womb. That's a whole year. There you go. Okay, so you can see you can start spreading out the data. I'll leave it at that. If you have other questions, just come and see me. Cheers!